Why Houston? I love the weather, I love the people. Everyone is straightforward, kind. This is the damage your deer did. This will be titanium across here. And I find that individuals who come to the center and their teeth are failing tell me over and over how difficult it was for them to live the Houston lifestyle. But people like to eat out, they like their barbecue, they like their Tex-Mex.
Don't hesitate to come in, because at our center we have the people who can help you. We have a prosthodontist who is the architect of your smile. We have a surgeon who can make sure that you're comfortable, and we have a master lab technician that can do the best job for you.
What makes ClearChoice unique is that it's a specialty-driven practice with the patient's outcome in mind. If they can find their way through the front door, what they see is the value of coming to the center and being part of the ClearChoice family.